Well, I'm sitting on my stoop, feeling kinda lonely. Me and Brenda fighting, so I call up the homies. Everybody's busy hanging out in front of Sobeys. There's only one little fella who really knows me. He comes in a little brown bottle or can, sits in my hand till I can barely stand. He's part of the band, he's part of the team. Took me under his wing when I was just a teen. Every time he comes around, it always brings me back to when I had a fake ID and a little dirt stash. Yeah, cold beer, don't you ever worry, I'm right here. Can I live without you? Know what I ever want to. Yeah, cold beer, don't you ever worry, I'm right here. I cannot live without you. Know what I ever want to. Cold beer.